guys, I'm just gonna do hey guys, I am going to be singing Heart Attack by Demi Lovato. So, I hope y'all like it. Okay. Cause I don't wanna fall in love. If I ever get that, I think I'd have a heart attack. Something I like out of the night. You never said yes to the right time. You never had yourself again what I want. But it could be you, I never said enough. When I don't care, I'm a playing like a candy doll. What was my head? You're making up like a basketball. You wanna act like a cop. Came right now, say where I need that you. Made me so nervous that I just can't hold your hand. Hold me close. Oh crap, sorry. Oh, oh, Put him out of sunset up, cause I don't wanna fall in love. If I ever get that, then have a heart attack. Well, there you go. I'm not gonna sing the whole song because I really don't feel like it. So, rate and subscribe. Deuces.